Mario the Plotagon Video Maker 2K11 Enterprises Inc. presents Water Bro breaks the fridge and throws it at his mom/grounded. And this video was inspired by Cameron the Magical Gamer 2K2.
Man, I hate my parents, but mainly my mom, cause she grounded me for throwing a water bottle at her. I want revenge, but how? Bingo. I'm gonna break the fridge, vahaha, let's do that now. Now let's break that fridge. Yes, I did it.
What was that noise? Water Bro, what just happened to the fridge? Did you break it?
That's none of your business. Now take this.
Ouch! Water Bro, you just threw the fridge at me.
Well, that's what you deserve, grounding me.
Honey, what happened?
Oh, Water Bro broke the fridge, and then he threw it at me.
Crazy Mario Bros is a pedophile. Galaxy Mario Films is the go-to. Freshie. Water Bro, how could you ever break the fridge and throw it at your mother? You've just injured her and she needs to go to the hospital. That's it, young man. You're super duper grounded for 8 days. Upstairs right now.
Who is Galaxy Mario Films?
Shut the hell up and go to your room right now.
Alright, I'm crying now. Wah.